I'm getting tired of hearing the same reverb, the same modulation effects and filters, so I wanted to try something new. Every time I try a new plugin, I notice the little differences from company to company, which is why I love having a big collection of plugins. Soundware recently dropped 3 new effects plugins, and we're gonna try them out today. And they are often on sale for a ridiculously good price, so check these out. We're gonna run my vocals through Proton, Sizzleverb, and FMX. And by the way, I got FMX for only $10, so definitely grab it if that sale is still going on. Again, you don't want a tired copy and pasted type sound. You gotta switch up your template often if you want to stand out in the vast sea of music out here. I'm excited to show you Sizzleverb because it's a reverb plugin that saturates the space around your music in literally the most fire way. I never thought of using distortion with reverb, and I'm obsessed with the different vibes I'm getting out of this one. Proton is super dope as well. It brings analog guitar pedal effects to a modern standard with granular synthesis and a ton of colorful modulation effects. And then there's FMX, Trance Gate and Advanced Filtering. I know what you're thinking. A filter is like the most basic effect, and you already have enough plugins that can filter anything. But this one, I can hear the difference. It's so clean. It is designed to give you the tone color you want for electronic music. I mean, it was made by EDM guys, so it is designed to give you the tone color that works for electronic music, and the built-in automation is really sick. Let me know what you think of these in the comments. And by the way, I'm Kimera, producer, songwriter, and vocalist. You can learn more about me in the description below, as well as grab my free sample pack by clicking on my website link. Okay, so obviously you're gonna get inspired to throw some of these effects on instruments, but today I'm gonna be using these on vocals, and we'll be using vocals from my latest single called Do You Even Want It, which is exclusively streaming on Gala Music. And one thing you'll notice here is I'm opening these in a plugin wrapper called DDMF Meta plugin. It's like 30 bucks, and it lets me open VSTs in Pro Tools. If you're in any other DAW other than Pro Tools, you won't need this. Okay, I want to start with Proton, and I'm going to use it on this little vocal turnaround right here. It's kind of like a post-hook ad-libby kind of moment. I think it'll sound great with these effects. But check it out. This is Proton. It's super cool looking. It has that guitar pedal kind of vibe, but lots to play with just in the macros. But also, if you click FX, this is what's going on under the hood. So there's definitely plenty to play with. Today, we're just gonna go through the presets, which, check this out. Look at how many presets there are. I mean, this is pretty fun. And I love that they're all categorized, so that's super helpful. And this is what it sounds like without any Proton on it. Okay, let's get it going. Neat. Definitely a lot more than just a chorus going on there. Lit. Woo! Sick. Wow. All right, what about some of these delays? Woo! Very cool. Ooh, there's some like extra grains going on in there. I hear it. Cool. Ooh, that's tasteful. I like that. Ooh, I kind of like that. That's creepy. Oh, that's really cool. I want to use that as a send though. love that one. Let's get into the distortion folder. Nice. Love that one. Ooh, did you hear that? They got that freeze button going. Woo! Buzz cut, I love that one. Woo! Drenched. Classy, simple. Gaslight me. Oh. What? That's creepy. Wow. Okay, whoever designed these presets, I'm loving how they're combining different effects. Crazy. Let's jump into the filter folder. Cool. Definitely hear this in my drops. Woo! Cool. Oh! Oh, that's neat. Word. Oh, that's fun. I have some ideas of how I could use that for sure. Nice. Okay, I've had enough Proton for now. Let's check out Sizzleverb. This is DDMF, by the way, guys. You have to plug it in. Again, if you have like Logic, Ableton, your shit doesn't need to do all this. Let's pick a different part. All right, check out Sizzleverb. I think this is my fave. All right, very pretty presets. Not a ton here, but to be honest, I kind of like that sometimes because I, as you could see in Proton, get a little analysis paralysis and I can just listen forever. So let's just run through these and check them out. Distorted sizzle. And obviously, if you wanted to incorporate this as your main reverb, you'd be putting it on an effects send. I'm just putting it right on the track because I want to hear what they sound like in full force. So let's take a listen. Beautiful.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful.
Classy, classy. Oh, if you know me, you know. This is my favorite.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful.
But what if we set the cathedral on fire with some sizzle? Make it burn.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful.
Oh, that is so clean. It's gorgeous. This is my favorite. I already know. Cathedral, and then set it on fire with that sizzle slide. Well, what's next? 808s. Ooh, throw this on your 808s, but I'm gonna throw it on my vocals.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful. Me say they coming for me, but they won't because.
Lovely. Straight sizzle, let's go.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping to them peaceful.
Nice. Ethereal echo, that sounds like something I'd like actually. So pretty. Ooh, that's different. I really like that.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Okay, that's the name of the plugin, so that must be their fave. What if we throw that decay like way up though?
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. Distant.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Ooh, I like that one too. Clean verb.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Wow, I really am loving what I'm hearing. It is clean. It's super, super clean. Clean verb too.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Shoot, I don't know which is my favorite now. They're all so good. Oh, we got some more. Let's go to Aurora reverb.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful. Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Shower verb. I don't know what kind of shower you have. You must have a very large shower for it to sound like that.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Wow.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Gorgeous.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
Whoa. Cool.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful. Me say they coming.
And then the last one's called Small Studio.
Me say they coming for me, but they won't because I see they sleeping too damn peaceful.
I'm actually like quite blown away by this plugin. It's so clean. Like you don't really hear like any of the digital artifacts you get with some reverb. So Sizzleverb, I'm impressed. I am impressed. Let's check out FMX. All right, so here's what we're working with. We've got a smooth knob, a reso knob, the timing of it, so you can change, you know, the note length, and then your shape of your wave and the cutoff, and then this fun button called motion, which makes it look like it's automating. So I'm just gonna press play and start fiddling and see what it sounds like.
And your heart don't palpitate. Do you even really want it? Do you even really want it? Oh, don't remember your name. Is it even pumping through your veins? Do you even really want it? Do you even really want it? Nobody's gonna want it but you. Your dreams don't keep you awake, and your heart don't palpitate. Do you even really want it? Do you even really want it? Oh, don't remember your name.
Love that. Like, do you hear how clean it sounds? Cleanliness is next to godliness, people, and FMX is a very clean filter. I'm loving it. One more time. I'm going to play more with the timing.
Your dreams don't keep you awake, and your heart don't palpitate. Do you even really want it? Do you even really want it? Oh, don't remember your name. Is it even pumping through your veins? Do you even really want it? Do you even really want it? Nobody's gonna want it but you.
All right, I think my favorite's going to be square shape, which is interesting because I usually like smoother. And then the dotted 30-second. Here we go.
Your dreams don't keep you awake, and your heart don't palpitate.
Without smooth. I just feel like the square with the smooth knob, like it's like a distinguished sound. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that is FMX, super sweet. But we've got more plugins to listen to in this next video, and I don't want you to miss out on hearing these, so click here and I'll see you over there.